celebrating life right now. Shouts to anybody on the way to get that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Honestly,
Yeah.
when we grow a little bit, and this year is going to be definitely a growth spurt. Everybody's closing rates are pretty damn good. Like, holy crap.
Yeah. Anybody else get their $600 already? Mine was in there Friday night.
Really?
Yeah, I got 3 grand.
Don't spend it. You got to give it back.
You know, oh.
It's all there for show.
That fucking thing, I was like, God damn, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Benedict London Flesh. Yellow Gulf Pussy. Yellow Gulf Pussy. Voila. See it all? See it all? You can see it.
That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi, it's the plumber.
Okay.
She coming. She leave work quick coming.
And I got this cartridge.
I'll ask her.
Okay, I see it's missing a pin and it.
Yeah, it need that thing to come out to put in a new one. And
Yeah. Okay. If you're a good cook.
Yes, I am. Steamed fish with okra.
You know what it is, go put it up before they breach us. So when they breach us, I'ma get out this and strike out on my heels.
Move your truck out, but you're okay there. There's the culprit.
If it's both sinks, then I gotta snake that line.
Right, exactly. Now, I have taken both of those traps off. They probably should come off again to check. Again, because I knew you were going to pull it apart.
Yeah.
Again, because I knew you were going to pull it apart.
Yeah. Looks like you're missing your nut for your drain over here.
Call 411. Make money, make money with you.
I make them cry about the pain. 99 Jams, new music right there. Megan Thee Stallion, the baby. It's called Cry Baby.